Hello, and welcome to another episode of High Life, Low Life. And today, I have some nails in my tires. Not keeping the tires, we have ordered new ones, all terrains, but we need to get there to get them done. So we have two nails in two tires, and we're going to use the rasp, insertion tool, these little strippy things, with some glue, which I just dropped on the floor down there. So without further ado, let's get into it. Nail number one right here, and number two right here. Like I said, these are not advisable repairs. That one, this tire's totally shagged. You can see the cracking in the tread. Not good. We are literally going to use this repair to get us back to the tire shop. So I'm going to start by pulling the nail out. Tiny little hole. Tiny little nail. And then with our rasp, because it was straight in, this requires a bit of force. You want to go in at the angle that the nail's in. So if it's at a sort of 45 degree, you want to go to 45 degree. All we're doing is widening the hole out so we can get the repair plug in. And we get a little strip. Looks tasty, huh? Just pull it there, slide it on, get in there. I'm going to slide it about halfway through. Like that. And get our little rubber cement. Whoop. Just coat the plug. That all nice and coated. Pull the rasp out. There we go. Alright. Ta-da! That was easy. Little razor tool that it comes with. Just cut off the excess. Ta-da! And we'll put some air back in it in a moment. Wow, that was a lot more of a fight than I thought it was going to be. Until the second. Right, on to the second one. We'll nail out. That's a bit of an angle. Down that way. Get our next one out. Same again. Thread it through little eyelet. So Tuesday, we're getting some INSA Turbo 265 6517s for the truck. Can't wait. I'm an expert at dropping stuff. Absolute expert at dropping stuff. And yeah, so all terrains. So it should be a bit of fun. I think it gives us about a ½ inch lift over the over these, with a much more aggressive tread pattern. Wider tyre too, being 265. Alright, let's do this again. Tyre fitters out here watching me going, what the fuck is this guy doing? Just like that. Like I say, it is literally to get us to the tyre shop on Tuesday. And there we go. 2 tyres plugged, and this one is still has air in it. Professional at dropping stuff. Not a lot of air, but it still has air. Yeah, about 11 psi. I'm not even going to do the other one because I'm pretty sure it's totally flat. Alright. And that is how you do a temporary, and when I say temporary, I mean temporary plug on a tyre. And all it has to do is last about 8 miles. If it was one tyre, I would have just put the spare on, but we had a nail in both. Other half picked them up work. Unfortunate, but yeah. I mean, this one's buggered anyway because of the cracking in the tread, but the other one was actually not so bad. But hey, 4 new tyres coming. Up to 4. Thanks for watching this episode of High Life Low Life, and we'll be seeing you very soon with new tyres. And I'll let you know how the plug's held up on the way there. Thanks, and see you later.